Welcome to all. Today we are going to learn about the alphabets K and L and the material which we require for it: sheet, pencil, calligraphy, pen. So here we start with the alphabet K. As you know, calligraphy is the art of beautiful handwriting. While many calligraphy profs enhance their work with watercolor backgrounds, brush pen flowers, and an overall eye for design, the basis of great calligraphy skill is learning to write well in the particular alphabet. So, when you want to write a sentence, you have to pick a style. I am showing here the different style of alphabet K. So, whenever you want to write a proper word, you have to pick a style, pick a hand, find the proper tools for your hand. As I told you that you are going to learn this calligraphy or you are the beginner, then you can go for the simple tool, that is pencil. First of all, try to write the alphabet with the simple pencil and do practice for different styles. If you feel that you have a full command or you have full practice on this, then you can go for the calligraphy pen also. Then you require the source, the proper practice paper, as I told you earlier. Practice, practice, practice. Part of developing a calligraphy hand is muscle memory. In order to gain this muscle memory, you must practice. Slow, concentrate deliberation will give you the best calligraphy result. This will mean you will need to write the same letter or combination of the letters over and over again. Remember to be patient with yourself and reward your own progress. Experiment with different flourishes and ornaments. Each style and hand has its own flourishes and style of illustrative ornaments to jazz up the writing. Experiment with different inks and paint. You can do the experiment with the different paint also. As I told you, first of all, write with the pencil. When you will be confident about to write the alphabet, then you can go for the calligraphy pen or you can write these alphabets with the brush and colors. And when you are going to start writing a sentence, then practice with short sentences. Write a long calligraphy piece when you are ready. Conceptualize a longer project. So, try these alphabets one by one. As I have shown in this video, only two alphabets, that are alphabet K and L. Try with the pencil and then go for calligraphy brush or paint and colors. It's very easy. Do it slowly, slowly. Only practice will make you perfect in writing the calligraphy letters. So here is about to end with the letter L. So here are the some images of the decorative alphabet K. Some colorful and black and white picture of alphabet K. Alphabet K is in a different styles and designs has been shown in this slide. Alphabet K is in a decorative form and different type of the designing has been shown in this picture. Again, we have so many collection of different type of the alphabet K. As you know, alphabet L has not so much formation, but we can beautify it with giving the beautiful background so it will look extraordinary. Here are some different ways and style of alphabet L. Some other design and style for alphabet A, some are in color also. At the end, as usual, I say, do practice, practice, practice makes person perfect. Thanks a lot.